Hey, so I bought this docking system and it was delivered yesterday. It was fast delivery without Prime. It looks really cool. The design perspectives and the color combination, I really like it. It has two USB, one C port. If you see here, here is a light on. It's very sleek design, very unique design. That's I feel it. And if you see here, there are multiple ports, HDMI to HDMI, then two USB-C, another ports, memory card ports, and all these things. It looks really cool. I really like it. And it's working right now perfectly. I got it yesterday only. This is my setup again. I got it yesterday. For me, it's really works. I will update you guys if anything happen. But I'm really satisfied with this product right now. It's really look good, great.
No, but my AirPods are not charging. See? The light turns off because it stopped charging. But I'm gonna cross test and take out this plug, right? And I'm gonna plug it in to make sure this cable. See, so the cable's working perfectly, charging. Plugged it into my MacBook, which, like I said, it damaged it because it's not turning on no more. See? Nothing pops up. Damaged. Now I gotta take it to the Apple store.